Yeah, so they're using affinity sizing.
That'll probably be quicker than the other one, won't it? Drawing.
Where are the balloons?
Yeah, we've not got any balloons, have we?
No, you're impeded.
We've got golf balls.
We've got golf balls
over there.
Yeah.
I'd say that would be.
Have you got any balloons?
Can that be larger than the drawing?
Have you got any balloons?
No, but you have got golf balls. So that particular product backlog item says balloons are
Right,
golf
yeah.
balls. Yeah.
Extreme moving time.
So you're unimpeded. You have them right there.
Measuring a meter. Unless anyone's got
There's only
a
7.
tape measure in their pocket.
That's okay. You can reuse them though.
Okay.
Yeah, you've only got 2 putters anyway. You can only put one ball at a time per putter. So.
30 centimetres rulers there.
Yeah. And also, have you got the room to make a 1 metre square? Without moving stuff out of the way.
Yeah, we'll just put it on. If we leave it as POC for now, then we'll just crack on with the rest.
Your eyes have to be closed. That's the thing. So it's reinforcing a point about collaboration. When we're dealing with people in other countries, we can hear them, but we can't see them. And so, kind of exaggerating the point that if you had to make a square out of a string, doing that with your eyes closed is kind of metaphorically the same as dealing with someone on the phone. And the learning outcome there is that you'll understand that you need to make more efforts. If you are dealing with people in other countries, you need to make more efforts so they can see what you're doing, so you can collaborate more effectively.
How accurate is the 1 metre wide square?
It's not accurate at all. It's just if you did it like it was only like 10 centimeters, it'd be, anybody could do that, but 1 meter is a bit more tricky.
Okay.
1 meter minimum, whatever you're comfortable with.
When it says everyone, it has to be everyone.
No, it could be 4 people on the team. So we're doing.
I still think it's going to be a larger task because you're going to have to get your eyes closed.
Alright, next. We can move all that around though.
Yeah.
In the next one.
Find all the easy ones first.
Yeah. We've only got 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes. Well, just over.
So,
Keep going. That's going to be large.
I'll just give you a little bit of a hint, because you're supposed to be planning now, which means that when it hits 3 minutes time, you'll know what you're doing for the sprint. What you might need to do is decide you're going to deliver 1 or 2 simple things this sprint, and then you're going to maybe figure out what you're going to do for the remaining sprints. You have to deliver some level of value out of the sprint. We didn't want to have a sprint 0. We didn't want you, spending a whole sprint just figuring out what we're going to do. We start with sprint 1. You're starting planning, but you need to decide a goal for the sprint. What is the goal for the sprint? What are you going to deliver? How are we going to check at the daily scrum that we're on track to deliver on that goal?
Well, maybe
Yeah.
instead of doing it like this, we just went through quickly and then pulled out things we think we could do quickly.
So golf balls, I would have said, would be in 15 minutes.
I reckon origami as well, that'd be quite simple.
Mindfulness, 5 minutes. That question 7, the answer have to be correct. Doesn't say anything about getting it right.
Doesn't have to be. It's your own answer. Whatever you answer, I just need to see what you answer because I need to see whether you believe in Scrum properly.
Well, that's survey because we're going to quickly click, done. Yeah.
But it needs to be a sincere effort.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to accept those criteria.
What about the origami ones?
And remember, you need to try and pick, you're trying to pick something easy, but you're trying to pick something that's the highest value as well. That's easy. So kind of strike the balance. Yeah.
We need to pull out like a couple of things that each team can do really. Like
Yeah.
we've got another minute and a half. At the end of the next minute, we really need to be getting out tasks.
What happens when the time box expires for planning?
Start.
Just start.
Yeah.
So very quickly, what's your goal?
Yeah.
Because each team needs to understand what it's going to do, right?
Yeah.
Origami.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
Golf balls?
Golf balls.
Yeah.
Can we clarify what
Did we include the 1 metre wide square?
in this one. Are we go for that one?
Do you want to do that, Drew?
Ooh, might have a go.
The complex, go down for the origami ones because complex would be too hard, I think.
Well, how many
Good,
people
go down to
with
11.
golf balls?
How many classes we got?
So this is 2 scrum teams.
Yeah.
One team of 7, one team of 6.
It's not complex.
So there's 2 putters.
Yeah.
There's 4 of us remaining. We could do the square thing.
Complicated? Yeah.
We don't want to use anyone else. We use that to do refinement.
What's the thing with the basketballs? I haven't seen that yet.
Let's do it with some people
Oh, we
that
can
don't.
sort that out.
It's down at the very end of the backlog. And it's only a potential item, it's not actually prioritised yet.
Did someone say we wanted golf balls as for one as well?
Yeah, golf balls, string.
Where's the golf balls?
They are.
Oh yeah.
20 seconds and the planning time box is over.
Yeah,
We're
so
putting too much into this first with the golf balls and the string.
Golf
I'm
balls,
figuring
string.
out how we're doing.
Yeah.
Right, we've got 10 seconds. What tasks?
How many people can
Which,
golf
balls?
which
Golf balls.
origami do you consider complex?
They're doing our origami.
String.
They want golf balls and string.
So who's figuring
We need to-
That's it. That's the end of it.
Who's doing the refinement, guys?
That's product backlog refinement now. 5 minutes.
You could also decide, as part of the goal, that you're going to do more refinement in this sprint and you're going to execute less, because the time box at the moment for executing stuff is 15 minutes and it's 5 minutes for refinement. If you're happy with that, that's fine. Just have a 10-second discussion about whether you're happy with that, with those time boxes.
This sprint of refinement.
10 minutes?
What do you think?
Yeah. So 10 minutes doing, 10 minutes refining.
Okay, you're already eating into that now, so you've now got 9 minutes and 20 seconds of refinement left.
Which one's complicated?
I'm
doing string.
I'll do golf balls as well, so there's 2 of us.
With the
So that's 2 strings.
Anyway.
2 strings, 2 golf balls.
is the product owner that will clarify which origami is considered complicated.
Yes.